Hey guys, it's me Red Scar, and I'm going to be doing a dubstep tutorial. So, I don't normally make videos like this, but I want to show you guys how a standard dubstep layout looks like. So, yeah, so excuse the bad CPU, my computer's not really that good. So the thing in dubstep is, I'm gonna go through the layout. So the first part is, very important part is the tempo. So the tempo you want to range around 130 to 160. So I chose it around the middle, so 150. So the beat is very simple. It's just a simple kick snare pattern. So you want to put reverb on them, and plus cymbals, hi-hats, like closed and open, it will sound like this. And you want to fill up as much open spaces as possible, so I put some cymbals, also added quite a bit of reverb on them. Alright, and for an impact you want to add a different one. So this one sounds like that, and this one sounds like this. So they sound different. It's to layer it. It's to indicate where the start is, and you want to add some white noise. So white noise would sound like this, and all together. If you notice on the kick and snare pattern, I have a reverse snare to give the second snare a bit more power, a bit more of a crunch to it. So after all those, you want to add your bass. So the bass is the most important part. So here I was too lazy to make my own presets, so I made I took some from the Virtual Ride sample pack and just some random noises. So basses would be like, yeah, pretty generic. So the thing at dubstep, you have to start it with a growl, not like this sound. So by growl, I meant like something like a long shot to start it all off. And you want to high pass all these. So by high pass, I mean, you obviously want to add some reverb. You want to cut off some of the bass. So like something like this. You don't want any bass because you want the sub bass effect. So like that all together. Yeah, you want that kind of effect, and you want to put some side chaining. So all together, that should sound. Yeah, not bad. But I feel like that's not enough. So what I like to do, or usually most dubstep tracks, they have this, is a detune saw. Playing the root note. This is F minor, so we have an F just quietly playing. Sometimes it's not enough, you can add arps. Just a reminder, if you put this in a different key, it screws up the whole song. So you could also add an offbeat piano. You can also you could just do the piano. Sounds good. So I'm gonna do without that, because the main reason of that is to add some atmosphere to it. I did not mention, at the end, you want to put something that sort of wants to loop back to the beginning. So I put a drum fill. And you want to reverse all these. And you want to add some side chaining and everything. Yeah, that's really basically it for now. If I'm missing something, you can let me know in the comments. I'm down to read your feedback and everything because I really want to improve. So, yeah, by all means, have a nice day and goodbye.